In a quiet, serene pond, lived a peculiar pike named Pike. This pike was unlike any other, for it had the magical ability to grant wishes to those who found it. One day, a young girl named Lily came across Pike while fishing. She was poor, living with her family in a small, dilapidated house. Seeing her plight, Pike swam towards her. Lily was initially startled, but when she realized the pike was friendly, she extended her hand to pet it. "I wish for a home," she said, her eyes brimming with tears. Pike nodded, and with a flash of light, her house was transformed into a grand, beautiful mansion. Her family was overjoyed, and their lives improved significantly. However, as time passed, Lily began to notice that her family was becoming complacent. They no longer appreciated the simple pleasures in life, and their hearts grew heavy with greed. One day, Pike reappeared. "I see your heart is not at peace," it said. "Is there something you wish for now?" Lily felt a pang of guilt. She realized that her wish had not brought happiness, but rather a sense of entitlement. "I wish," she said, "for a heart full of gratitude." Pike nodded again, and with a gentle glow, Lily's heart filled with gratitude. She realized that while her home was beautiful, it was her family's love that truly mattered. From that day forward, Lily and her family lived humbly, cherishing each other and the simple joys of life. They learned that true happiness comes not from material possessions, but from a heart full of gratitude. And so, Pike continued to live in the pond, granting wishes and teaching lessons, reminding everyone that true joy comes from within.